We're working on fractions today, and we're specifically working on what do we do when we're finding equivalent fractions and there's a numerator or denominator missing. So look, these are equal, these are equal, these are equal, these are equal, but they all have something missing. This one has a heart instead of a denominator. This one has a flower instead of a numerator, a star instead of a numerator, and a square instead of a numerator. So our job is to fill in the shape so that the fractions are equal like they're supposed to be. Excuse me. So look at the first one. I've got 3/4 are equal to 6 over a heart. I've got to figure out what the heart is. First thing I want to do is think. How can I get from 3 to 6? I can get from 3 to 6 by multiplying by 2. Because 3 times 2 is 6. Okay? 3, 6, 3 times 2. The trick is if I multiply the top by 2, I can multiply the bottom by 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 4, 8. So my heart is equal to 8. 3/4 is equal to 6/8. Let's try another one. Remember, I multiplied by 2 and I multiplied by 2. Okay, but let's look at this one. This one could be the same, it might be a little bit different. Let's find out. I don't know how to get from 2 to star, but can I get from 9 to 18? Yes, I can. How do I get from 9 to 18? 9, 18. What do I do? Times it by 2, right? 9 times 2 is 18. So if I multiply the bottom by 2, I got to multiply the top by 2. So 9 times 2 is 18. What's 2 times 2? 4. Good. So 2 9ths is equal to 4 18ths. Star is equal to 4. Let's try another one. Do I know how to get from 1 to flower? No. Can I figure out how to get from 2 to 8? Yeah. How can I get 2 times what gets me to 8? 2, 4, 6, 8. 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. So if I do the bottom times 4, what do I have to do up here? I have to do times 4 again. 1 times 4 is 4. So 1/2 is equal to 4/8. 1/2 is equal to 4/8. I can say flower is equal to 4/8. Let's try this one. Can I get from box to 9? No. But can I get from 4 to 12? Yeah. 4 times what is 12? 4, 8, 12. 4 times 3. So if I do times 3 down here, that means I can do times 3 up here. 4 times 3 is 12. What times 3 gets me to 9? 3, 6, 9. 3 times 3 gets me to 9. So my box is equal to 3. Okay? 3/4 is equal to 9/12. Let's try another one. How do I get... Can I get from 9 to the smiley face? No. So I've got to come down here and can I get from 2 to 16? Well, yeah, I can get to 2 to 16. Let's multiply by 2 till I get to 16. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. That was 8 fingers, so it's times 8. If I times the bottom by 8, what do I got to do up here? I've got to times by 8 again. I've got to do the same thing. So if I times 8 down here, then I got to do it up here. 9 times 8. I'm going to sing my 8 song. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, and 56, 64, and 72. 72. So my smiley face is equal to 72. Okay, last one, and we will be done. We're finding equivalent fractions that have a missing numerator or denominator. So look, can I get from sunshine to 24? No. So I got to try this. Can I get from 2 to 8? Yes, I can. Let's do 2 until we get 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. What do I times by? I times by 4. If I times this by 4, well, I got to times this by 4. Sunshine times 4 will get me to 24. What times 4 gets me to 24? Let's sing our 4 song. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 6. Okay, so sunshine is equal to 6. So 2 6 is equal to 8 24s. All right, guys, you guys just found equivalent fractions with missing numerators and denominators. The first thing that you did is you decided, okay, well, what do I got to solve first? I can't solve sunshine first, so I've got to do the 2 and the 8 first. You found out that you multiplied by 4, so then you brought that down and said, okay, what times 4 would get me to the 24? You guys did a great job.